Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to create a local user account on a big IP system using the configuration utility. The big IP system stores local user accounts including usernames, passwords, and user roles in a local user account database. When a user logs in using one of these accounts, the big IP system checks the account to determine the user role assigned to that user for each partition that the user can access. As an example, you might want to create a local user account that can generate a quick view file to provide to F5 support to help troubleshoot an issue. To perform this procedure, you must have the administrator or user manager role assigned to your own account. If your user role is user manager, you can only create user accounts in partitions to which you have access already. Note that generating a quick view file is only available for accounts with administrator or resource administrator user roles. The advanced shell is only available for accounts with administrator or resource administrator user roles. To create a local user account, log into the configuration utility and go to System, Users. If there's more than one partition on your big IP system, set the current partition to the partition where you want the user account to reside. Select Create. If the Create button is not available, your account does not have the permission to create local user accounts. You must have the administrator or user manager role to create a new local user. For username, enter the name you want to assign to the new local user account. Choose a name that clearly identifies the user or the purpose of the account. For password in the new field, enter a password for the user account. In the Confirm field, enter the same password again to confirm it. Make sure that you follow your organization's password policy. Next, configure the partition access for the new user. For partition access from the role list, select the user role that you want to assign. To allow the user to generate quick view files, select either Administrator or Resource Administrator. If you have more than one partition for partition, select the correct partition and then select Add. The role and partition combination appears in the access list, showing the user role that has the specified partition. You can repeat this step to add roles for additional partitions if needed. If you want the user to be able to access the command line interface, from the terminal access list, select the level of access you want to allow, such as PMSH or Advanced Shell. Note that Advanced Shell is only available for the Administrator or Resource Administrator user roles. When you finish configuring the username, password, partition access, and terminal access, select Finished. The big IP system creates the local user account with the settings you specified. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.